So I had 3 silhouette discs. 2 with a boy and a dog, 1 with a ball, 1 with a bowl, and the dog and the boy are different, and 1 with a boy and his boat. 2 of them I did with the silhouette with the ombre frame, but I didn't have it in me to do that same design again with this one, so instead I decided to use my tall and skinny, and I did a top embed or embellishment with the paw and the bone, and let's see what we have. I went with a gray base and a white sky, which will have a slight tint of yellow to it because of the fragrance, but I knew. And so it's the boy with the ball and the paw, which I don't think is bad. I think that's cute. I thought about potentially doing something other than just white, but I couldn't come up with anything. My brain was just tired. So simple it is. I love the embeds. I think they're so sweet. I love all of the silhouette ones I've done. The girls, that like the summer ones I released, the park bench, the couple. Like, I've really had a lot of fun creating those and making soaps with them. But I think it's sweet. Boy giving his puppy a ball. And then I did the embeds to match the color of the ball, that dark green. So a little bit different from the other ones, but I think it's cute. And it turned out pretty well, I think. I mean, all in all, like I said, I could have probably done maybe something other than just straight white and gray, but that works, and I think the boy and the dog stand out really well against that lighter background. So I'm happy about that. That is the last fall soap. I have no idea which order this video will go in, so I might be saying the last and it might be the first video you see, but there you have it. These discs, once this video is posted, will be online, so if you're interested in grabbing a set for yourself, definitely go check it out. Link in the description, as well as hopefully I'll remember to put it above in the comments or in the video somewhere. Let me know what you think.